Tuko na aspiring women rep in Bomet County called Cherono. Makofi kwake. Asante sana Cherono. Utaongea baadaye. Asante. We have Mheshimiwa Philip Mesto. Thank you so much for being around and God bless you. And we have Mheshimiwa Sirinjit from Jeborgei. Thank you so much and you are welcome. I also want and accept this. We have who? Oh, right here. We have where? Yeah? Bomet. Who? Thank you so much, Ichir. We have Mheshimiwa Dominic from Kabyanga Ward. Thank you so much for being around. We have the chairman of health. You will be having a session, a panel session to represent the whole assembly tomorrow. Mheshimiwa Maji, thank you so much and God bless you. We have our vice chairman in health committee, Mheshimiwa Moses. And we have our brother and one of the senior MCAs, Mheshimiwa Tarimbo, and God bless you. Aye. And the speaker of the assembly was here. I hadn't seen him. We have also our speaker of the county of assembly, Dr. Patrick Mutai, and you're welcome so much, my brother. Because of the unfairness of time, permit me, our brother, Excellency DG, just to also introduce you where you are, so that I will not be killed by this state function. You know, we'll say others, sorry, and Kericho. We have our lovely brother and our able deputy governor of Kericho, His Excellency Engineer Fred Kirui. Asante sana. Before I end, Your Excellency, just to share in my minute, I want to welcome Professor Parchok, our colleague governor of Bomet, just to say one word. She wants to say one word, this hustler, and the upcoming women rep, so maybe.
President, Nanyon, Karibu Kapatet, naitwa Mayor kutoka Chebilat, and Branches MB na nato na kusimama hapa. President, iko tu anuliami, agilenji, achamo, okia leweno, kiana na kia leweno, asika chuchugoi, konyesha, kama to chuchugoi, mi bigire raya President, chanya lugo mwaunda busyak, kwanza Cherono, atnya tabu, so mutai, kogigilewen aki, asante.
Your Excellency, you can have the benefit of shaking your hand and then just that. So that you'll be very. Lastly, Asante sana. Asante sana. Your Excellency, before I sit, thank you for the excitement. I have a specific request for you in this region. This Kapkatet Stadium is heroic and historical in itself. The first stone was laid down here by the first president, His Excellency Jomo Kenyatta. All right. And so, Your Excellency, being an historical crown that has made kings and demoted others, the last time we were here, we did the biggest rally for our party and our government. My request, Your Excellency, if you look around the stadium, it is not in a good space. I want to request your good office to help us facilitate the constructions of this Kapkatet Stadium. I had equally requested Murkomen for 2 kilometers of road as a way of saying thank you to this ground. And I want you to push our brother Murkomen to finish 2 kilometers of tarmac road within this Kapkatet so that it can also give us life. But I want to appreciate you and the government because you have given us 100 million market. It was 40 million, but as county government, we talk so that we have 60 million, 100 million modern market at Kapkatet here. Today was a day of so many things. You are so much welcome, Your Excellency. We are behind you and the President, and we are very loyal, sir. Governor Parchok, please come and say a word.
Thank you, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, who is our chief guest for this function, our CS in charge of health, Madam Susan, mtoto wa nyumbani CS Florence, our PSS, the governor of Kericho, waheshimiwa MBs na MCAs, our partners na wananchi wote, tusalimiane. Bwana asifiwe. Your Excellency, this is not my day, na sitaongea mengi. I just want to join my colleague, Governor Kericho, in welcoming you to our region. Ukiwa Kericho, tuko kitu moja na Bomet, so tuko nyumbani. Secondly, Your Excellency, what we are witnessing today is a very clear demonstration that the Kenya Kwanza government is committed in fulfilling each and every promise ambayo tulipatia watu wa Kenya. And as the governor of Bomet and Council of Governors, kama vile mwenzangu ameelezea, we are committed kushikana mikono na national government so that we can achieve that promise that we gave to the people of Kenya. Lastly, Your Excellency, as my colleague has mentioned, mambo ya kansa, hasa eneo hili letu la South Rift, iko juu sana. And we want to request, and we are willing, I've talked and discussed with my brother, tutaweka pesa na tushikane mikono na research institutions ndio tuchue hii mambo inatokana na nini, because every week, almost every day, tuna attend mashishi ya mtu ambaye amekufa na ugonjwa wa cancer. So we are willing, as the two county governments, kuweka pesa. So mtusaidie, we still come for discussion. Madam CS, tuone vile tutashirikiana pamoja ndio watu wetu wasaidike. Your Excellency, karibu sana. Thank you.
We have finished our session, Excellency Deputy President, and now just when you will step over the podium, we'll have the responsibility to introduce the members of parliament who are here. But I have apologies from our area MB Kibet Komingoi, who is out on an official duty, and also our Senator Aaron Cheruyot, who is also out on official duty. And you also have apologies from our women rep, who is not feeling well, Mama Beatrice Kemei. Thank you so much. Let me hand over to the most beautiful peers next to me here. Karibu sana.
With your permission, Your Excellency, I want to invite my boss and the CS, the Cabinet Secretary for Health, so that she may address us and thereafter invite you, Your Excellency. Available, affordable, and accessible health. Karibu.
Your Excellency, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, my colleague, Sister Cabinet Secretary for Labor, Madam Florence Bore Tapnyole, Excellency Governor of this beautiful county of Kericho, Excellency Governor of Bomet County, our PSS, Honorable Members of Parliament present, my ministry officials who are here today, all partners present, na watu wa Kericho. Hamjambo. Chamugei tugul. Mko wazima. Your Excellency, today I am very, very, very happy. Because you and the Excellency, the President, you walked around this country and promised Kenyans universal health coverage. And it was put in a plan. Your Excellency, it has been my responsibility to ensure that what promised happens. And today here, we are here to demonstrate that things are not just being launched in Nairobi, but they are happening on the ground. And we have walked with you since morning. You have been able to see for yourself. So I am very happy and glad that you made time to come today. We have a whole week packed with activities. We actually began on Friday. His Excellency the President